A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Let's learn together.
So, a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back once again to the class. And today, regarding the chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler, we are going to study and discuss about how Adolf Hitler established this racial state in Germany. Racial state यानी जातीय वाला state यानी जाति अपने जात को कैसे उन्होंने promote किया. How he promoted, how he established that racial state in Germany with his different actions. Let us see about his actions. उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है अपने नॉर्डिक जर्मन आर्यंस को प्रमोट करने के लिए. So that is a very demanded questions also in examination. So let us see here. Adolf Hitler and his Nazi party wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic German Aryans. Be very careful over here. He wanted pure. I will tell you the meaning of this pure, and even he asked for, he was demanded for healthy Nordic German Aryans. Pure means Germans, pure German Aryans means the real German Aryans, Nordic German Aryans will be only allowed to marry or to make their family with the only Nordic German Aryans only. Means you are not allowed to mix with any other races or any other caste or any other religion. You will have to maintain your purity. Especially this guideline was given to the female of German Nordic German Aryan society, that they should not marry, they should not keep any type of relationship other than the Nordic German Aryans, and if they will be found doing that, they will be severely punished for that. Even after that, pure, they wanted healthy Nordic German Aryan. Healthy bhi hona chahiye. If you are, yes, if you are a pure Nordic German Aryan, but if you are not healthy, if you are handicapped, then again you will be sent to the concentration camp where you will be gassed through the chambers. In the chambers, you might have to die there. So you must be healthy also, and you must retain your purity. I'm telling you again. So they were only considered desirable. यही लोग जो थे वो desirable थे. Those who deserve to live in Germany. Who deserve to live in Germany? The pure and the healthy Nordic German Aryans only deserve to live in Germany according to the Nazi party, or you can say directly according to Adolf Hitler. You can see over here that only these people were seen as worthy of prospering. मीन्स सिर्फ इन्हीं लोगों को इजाजत था कि यही लोग जो हैं प्रॉस्पर कर सकते हैं, विकास इन्हीं लोगों का होगा. ओनली दिस पीपल आर वर्दी ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट, ओनली दिस पीपल आर वर्दी ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिंग, यानी आगे बढ़ने का जो मौका है जो है ये सारे इन्हीं लोगों को दिया जाएगा. हु वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट whom? We are talking about the pure and healthy Nordic German Aryans. And even this race is only allowed to get multiple against all other undesirables. तो इन्हीं लोगों को भी इजाजत था कि they can increase their family, है ना, they can produce as many children as they can, but others are undesirable. Other than these people, the rest of the German citizens are undesirable. उनको रहने का हक नहीं था जर्मनी में. सिर्फ इन लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई करने का भी हक है, और इन्हीं लोगों को क्या हक है? They are only worthy of prospering also. That is according to the Nazi party, or you can say according to Adolf Hitler. So that is the establishment he is trying to establish. Now let us see what he has done. What are the steps under euthanasia program? So this was one of the name of one of the program that was implemented, or you can say launched by Nazi party. Name of the program is euthanasia program. And what really happens under this program? ये program के तहत क्या वो लोग करते थे? Helmut father, you might remember the story of this particular boy and Helmut fathers, है ना? So Helmut father, along with other Nazi officials, they used to kill many mentally or physically unfit Germans. So according to this program, euthanasia program, the mentally and the physically unfit Germans were killed under this program. And Helmut father was included, he was involved, he was one of the Nazi official who was killing these mentally and physically unfit Germans. So when Germany lost the Second World War, so Helmut father realized the same thing will be returned to him, his family, and he will be also killed because they have lost the law, they have lost the war. So the people of Germany will kill them also. That's why Helmut father committed suicide, so that he can save himself from those harsh things. So now you might have understood what is meant by what was the work of euthanasia program. Its work was to kill mentally and physically unfit Germans. Many gypsies are those people who were from Egypt, है ना? And those who were living in Germany. So many gypsies and even many blacks considered as racial inferiors. इन लोगों को gypsies को और blacks को जो काले लोग थे, है ना, उनको क्या समझते थे वो लोग नीचा जात, है ना? They were thinking about them that they are the inferior race. Widely persecuted, और उन लोगों को widely यानी कि बहुत ज्यादा तादाद में उन लोगों को मारा जा रहा था. They were killed and they were persecuted, means they were sent to the concentration camp without any court, without any cases. बिना कोई केस, बिना कोई मुकदमा का उनको डायरेक्ट कहाँ भेजा जाता था? These gypsies and the blacks were sent to concentration camps where they used to be killed with the help of gas chambers and many other processes also. Even Russians, है ना, people from Russia, even Poles, yani people from Poland, they were also considered subhuman and they were also killed. और यहाँ तक के रशियन और पोलैंड के लोगों को भी समझा जाता था कि ये लोग इंसान नहीं है, they are not human being, and they were killed. तो उनको भी इंसान नहीं समझा जाता था, उनको भी मार दिया जाता था. And you can see over here that occupied Poland and parts of Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave labor. So citizens of Poland which were occupied by Germany. So the people of those occupied Poland and parts of Russia which was occupied by Germany, so the people of those region were captured, they were captured and they were forced to work as a slave labor, गुलाम की तरह उनसे काम करवाया जाता था. And even many died simply through hard work and starvation. और बहुत सारे लोग जो है मारे भी जाते थे हार्ड वर्क की वजह से, बहुत ज्यादा काम कराने की वजह से, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ स्टारवेशन, है ना, भूख के वजह से, खाना, है ना, नहीं खाने की वजह से, only work and no food to eat, so they used to die. And that is really the situation nowadays also in this pandemic situation. Many of them are dying because of starvation. So establishment of the racial status continue over here. You can see about the Jews now. The Jews were the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. Now here comes the twist over here. Sufferers में से सबसे ज्यादा सफर जो कर रहे थे, the worst sufferers were the Jews in Nazi Germany. Why? There are two reasons that I gave you previously also. Now I am again giving you the reason why these Jews were hated the most. है ना, सबसे ज्यादा Jews से नफरत क्यों करते थे ये जर्मन के लोग, especially the Nazi party, because they were stereotyped as the killers of Jesus Christ. क्योंकि उन लोगों को समझा जाता था that they are the killer of Jesus Christ, कि इन्होंने ही Jesus Christ को मारा है. So that was the blame on the Jews. And the second blame was that they were usurers. और उनको क्या बताया जाता था कि ये लोग usurers है. Now what is that? Usurers, new term is there. Usurers means money lenders charging excessive interest. यानी especially these Jewish people, those who were living in Germany, they were especially mostly of them were the money lenders, those who used to give money to the people as a loan and they used to charge interest. So the blame was that they were charging excessive interest. Blame यही था कि ये लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा interest charge करते हैं. They used to take advantage of the people and their requirement. है ना, अगर आपको जरूरत है पैसा की तो if you require money then you will have to take it from the lenders who are the Jewish people and they used to take advantage of your condition. आपके हालात का वो लोग फायदा उठाते हैं और ज्यादा चार्ज मारते हैं interest. So these were the two blames. Number one, that they are the killer of the Jesus Christ and they were usurers also. So what happened to these Jewish people? Let us see. these Jews were forced to live in separately marked areas called ghettos. तो Jews को जबरदस्ती ये कहा गया कि आपको उस एरिया में जाके रहना है. एक एरिया उनको दिखाया गया. A particular region was showed to them that you people, Jewish people will live in that particular area, and that area was named as ghettos. और उस एरिया का नाम रख दिया गया था ghettos, जहां पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ Jews को रखा गया था. And that was forcefully, जबरदस्ती पकड़ पकड़ के वहां भेज दिया गया. Persecuted through periodic organized violence. Periodic organized violence, yani you can say after hours, after 3 hours, after quarter a day, or after in alternative day, they have to face violence from the German soldiers. German के लोग, German citizens, German नाजी पार्टी के लोग, उनके साथ violence, यानी हमेशा उनके साथ मारपीट करना, उनको सताना. That was the periodic and organized one. ये एकदम organized routine बन गया था कि उनके साथ जुल्म करना है. And expulsion from the land, and they were forced to leave their land also. अपने जमीन से उनको निकाल दिया गया और सभी को ghettos भेज दिया गया. Thought conversation was no solution to the Jewish problem, and this Nazi party was thinking that no, we should not converse with them. हम लोग को इन लोगों से बातचीत नहीं करना है. ये Jewish problem को solve करने का तरीका नहीं है. We don't want to talk with the Jewish people. Because there is no solution in conversation. That was the thinking of the Nazi party. They were thinking that this Jewish problem could only be solved through their total elimination. वो ये कह रहे थे कि Jewish से छुटकारा हम लोग को कैसे मिलेगा जब तक कि हम लोग इनका पूरे तरीके से सफाया ना कर दें. Means if we will not totally eliminate them, if we will not totally kill them, only killing them finally totally is the only solution to get rid of the Jewish problem. And what was the problem from the Jews? That they were the usurers. That was the greatest problem. They were the killer of the Jesus Christ. This was the problem. So they were thinking that they should not deserve to live in Germany, and they should all be killed. That is the only solution. We will not talk to them. हम लोग बातचीत करके मामला को सुलझाएंगे नहीं, solve नहीं करेंगे. We will only finish them off. That was the solution thought by the Nazi party. From 1933 to 1938, that was the really era of terrorization. ये जो era था 33 से 38 तक बहुत ही dangerous, quite dangerous for the Nazis, for the Jewish people. 1933, 1938, the Nazis terrorized, blackmailed and divided the Jews. उनको डराया, धमकाया, blackmail किया, उनको बांट दिया गया, and they were also compelled to leave the country. And from 1939 to 1945, that was the era of the Second World War also. They aimed at collecting them in certain areas and killing them in the gas chambers. तो 1938 से पहले तक उनके साथ क्या हो रहा था? They were terrorized, Jews were terrorized, blackmail, and they were divided, but they were not killed. But from 1939 to 1945, they were collected in certain areas, that is concentration camps, and they were all killed in the gas chambers. 1939 से उनका जो है वो स्टेप चेंज हो गया, उनको उन्होंने मारना शुरू कर दिया. Now here is the meaning of the term persecuted, है ना? Prosecuted एक word होता है और ये persecuted है. What it means? That persecuted means systematic, organized punishment of those belonging to a group or religion. Means it is a systematic, एक system बनाया जाता है और उसके तहत उनको punishment दिया जाता है, और चाहे वो कोई group हो या कोई religion के लोगों को उनके साथ ऐसा किया जाता है. So that is all regarding the establishment of the racial state, what the Nazi party and Adolf Hitler has done in Germany to establish the racial state in Germany. So our next topic regarding this chapter is about the racial utopia. यानी कि you might have heard this word utopia during our annual function also. So Ethiopia is such a state where everything is very good. There is no need of police. There is no need of any type of administration. Every people will be good in that particular area, and there will be no criminals. There will be no thieving cases. And everyone will be very good. Means like the Jannat, like the paradise. So the racial Ethiopia means the Nazi party was trying to create or construct a paradise for the Aryans, Nordic German Aryans. तो Nordic German Aryans के लिए क्या बनाना चाह रहे थे वो racial Ethiopia. Means they are now going to kill the Polish civilians, mean people from the Poland. Let me click on that link. I think something is there in that link. Killing of Polish civilians. Now, what is this one? This is one of the vehicle that the Nazi party and their members were using to carry the Polish people, even the Jews, to the concentration camp. इसी गाड़ी में, ऐसे ही vehicle में वो लोग जो है लोगों को भर कर, है ना, they used to just send them in this particular vehicle to the concentration camp where they were killed in the gas chambers. So yeah, this is one of the vehicle which was being used at that particular time for killing the Jews, for killing the other people, for killing the other people also, killing of Polish civilians. Let us see what is there. Genocide and war became two sides of the same coin. अब एक ही coin का दो part होता है. We know that there is always two sides of a coin. So अब ये जो जर्मनी में क्या हो रहा था, इस coin के दोनों side में क्या था? Number one, genocide means killing of large number of people within the country, and on the other side of the coin was the war. War means fighting from the other countries of the world to capture, to become the top, to become the superpower of the world. So यही दो चीज चल रहा था जर्मनी में. एक जेनोसाइड यानी किलिंग इनसाइड, अंदर अपने ही लोगों को मार रहे थे और बाहर से वो दूसरे लोगों से भी लड़ाई कर रहे थे. So these were the two sides of the same coin that was going on through Germany at that particular time. They occupied Poland, which was divided up. No, Poland पर कब्जा भी किया था. That was the first experiment also, and that really was the beginning of the Second World War when they occupied Poland, when Germany attacked Poland, and much of the northwestern Poland was added to Germany. और northwestern Poland का ज्यादातर हिस्सा को जर्मनी ने अपने अंदर ले लिया था with the start of the Second World War. Even you can say the people of the Poland are known as Poles. So they were those Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties to be occupied by the Germans. और वो Poles को उनके घरों से ही निकाल दिया गया, जबरदस्ती उनके घर से, उनके प्रॉपर्टी से निकाल कर. किन लोगों ने कब्जा कर लिया? Germans. The German people have occupied their home, their properties. आप सोच सकते हैं, आपको अगर कोई जबरदस्ती आपके घर से निकाल देगा, आपके प्रॉपर्टी से निकाल देगा और वो लोग रहना शुरू कर देंगे, then how will you feel? Where will you go? You will have to learn, you will have to fight or give up your life. So यही हो रहा था उस बेचारे पोलैंड के पीपल लोगों के साथ, पोल्स के साथ. Even police leaders were murdered in large numbers. Those who were going against German soldiers, those Polish leaders and पोलैंड के बहुत सारे leaders जो इनके खिलाफ उन्होंने आवाज उठाया, they were all murdered in large numbers to keep the entire people intellectually and spiritually humble to the German people, to the Nazi party. इसलिए मार दिया गया कि बाकी जो बचे हुए लोग हैं, है ना, वो लोग जो है स्पिरिचुअली और इंटेलेक्चुअली जो है वो हम्बल रहें, शुक्रगुजार रहें और फेथफुल रहें. किसके? नाजी पार्टी के. अगर आप उनके खिलाफ जाएंगे, then you will be killed, you will be murdered in large numbers. Even you can see, my dear students over here, this is really heartbreaking for all of us, that police children also who look like Aryans, they were examined by race experts. यानी जो पुलिस चिल्ड्रन यानी बच्चे जो पोलैंड के थे, जो आर्यंस की जरा दिखते थे, है ना, those who used to look like Aryans, so they were sent to the doctors, to the race experts who used to examine them. Race experts यानी वो पकड़ते थे कि ये वाकई में प्योर जर्मन है कि नहीं, उसका टेस्ट करवाते थे वो लोग, है ना, और फिर वो पता करते थे कि ये really this Polish children, this child from the Poland is really a German Aryan or not. ये आर्यन है कि नहीं. अगर वो आर्यन रहते थे, if they passed the test, then they were raised in German families. अगर वो वाकई में आर्यन निकलते थे, बच्चे वो आर्यन होते थे, then they were sent to the German families to be raised there, है ना, ताकि वो वहां पर बड़े हो सके. But if they fail the test, then they were sent to orphanages. और अगर वो बच्चे टेस्ट को फेल कर जाते थे, if they found that this child is not an Aryan, then they were sent to orphanages, यानी कि यतीम खाना जो होता है वहां उसको भेजा जाता था. And most of them used to die there, क्योंकि वहां कुछ फैसिलिटी होता ही नहीं था, खाने पीने का, ना डॉक्टर का, ना बच्चों का इलाज करने का, ना मेडिसिन का खर्चा. सो वैसे ऑर्फेनेज मीन्स दैट इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ concentration camp for the police children, where they used to die after few days after sending there. So this was the condition how the people of police Poland were killed, and even their leaders were killed, even their properties and homes were occupied by the Germans, and police children who look like Aryans were raised in German families, and those who were not German Aryans, those who were not Aryans were sent to orphanages, where most of the children used to die. Now you can see this is all bloody over here. The blood is there in this slide, means now it is going to be very horrified. That we will continue in our next class, learning about the things which were really very horrified in Germany, which will really break your heart also, my dear students. So in our next class, come with a brave heart, है ना, दिल को मजबूत करके आना नेक्स्ट क्लास में, because we are going to really discuss and learn about the things which really will break your heart, will create tears in your eyes also. So it's very heart touching, my dear students. Tomorrow we will discuss about this part of the chapter, which is really very horrified to discuss also for me also.
Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.